Moving on, we'll be learning the last fundamental of the center, which is known as pirouettes. Now, when it comes to pirouettes, a pirouettes is a position from where a dancer can turn. A position to turn is known as pirouettes. Now, I'll be teaching you the preparation for the pirouettes. I'm going to break it down for you. Let's learn it. So, going to go. You start on first facing your 4 points towards the audience. Now the idea is my legs are crossing, my arms are relaxed. So the idea is you're going to keep your arms down, the legs are in 5th, 6th, 7th, and the first step is to bring your arm in the center. Now from there the idea is to open your arms to the side and your right leg will go to the side. Like that, yes. Now the next step is from there you take your right leg to the back and the arm comes to third position. Remember third position? Yes. Now in this position it's very important that the weight of the body is on both the legs equally. You're not going all the way back. You're not going all the way to the front. You are in the center and the weight is on both the legs. That's it. Now the next step is you open your right arm to the side. That's it. Now from there you go all the way up and then you come back. Watch. 6, 7 and out. Prepare. Open. Up. Down. Out, prepare, open, up and down. Last time, 6, 7, slowly, out. Open your arms and the legs, prepare. The position of the legs are in 4th, the position of the arms are in 3rd. Open your arms to 2nd position. And then from there you bring your arm in first and the leg to passe position, which is like that here. And then you close the leg through the floor. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it once with the music. I hope you got a hang of all the combinations that we have done with the help of the chair and in the center. I would suggest that you should practice on a regular basis whatever we have done till now from the scratch, giving you the small detailings. You're working on yourself and you're getting better. That's the only way in ballet. That's how you progress and that's what makes you a phenomenal dancer. Now in the next session, in the next video, I'll be making sure that we will be learning how to combine 2 steps together to perform a combination. I'll see you.